It's cold outside. Good morning, America. We're drinking coffee. We got that diesel running out front, getting ready to go to work. It's just like all white outside. It's a little bit of snow on top of ice. That's right. In Texas, we get ice. It's gonna be a crazy morning. What do I have to say about that? It's just freaking cold. It really is. Give it about 2 days. And we'll be back to normal, I think. You know what? I'm feeling much better. I appreciate y'all. I still have a little bit of ways to go. But so glad I didn't get that China virus. But my sinus infection, the medicine the doctor gave me, I've had it many times, called Z-Pack. It's doing great. This thing I put up for blocking the wind helps me to be out here so I can cook or make a video or do whatever I want. I appreciate that. I got a camouflage one I'm going to put up over that to make it look prettier for y'all. Yeah. Anyway, stock market is crashing or whatever it's doing today. It's not going to be a great day. I finally come back, getting my money back, and it wants to take it back away. I don't know about that. I still believe in Excella. I think it's going to go from like 50 cents to $100 over the next few years. But that's another story, because this is supposed to be a cooking show. I just hadn't felt like making a cooking video right now with everything going on. And we all take care. You know what? Down here, right there and right there, I'm going to leave y'all, just in case you want to go check them out. It's going to be 2 cooking channels from overseas. And it's Lisa and Cash. Something like that, because they have a pretty cool different kind of videos, and I like watching stuff like that because it helps Papa learn different kinds of cooks, and I appreciate them. One of them, I think is Lisa, maybe, is in Indonesia, and they got some really cool cooks. Go check them out, and you can see some new cooking shows or whatever. Tell them Papa Texas sent you. It's Thursday morning. It's kind of cold out here. It's Papa Texas. See ya.